Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Hub. So today I will be starting with control statement. So there are basically three type of control statement. One is selection, iteration, jump statement. Okay. In case of selection, it lies between else if else ladder. In case of iteration, we have for loop, while loop, do while loop, for each loop. Now for in case of jump, we have break, continue. Okay. So in details, we are going to study these three parts of control statement, which is very important for our coding aspect. So let's start. Selection statement. So selection statements are the decision making statements. Very important because in this statement we have to make decision. That means if the decisions gets true, then only the statement inside it get executed. So they are basically two type: selection statement, that is in selection there is up two parts: selection statement and then switch statement. Okay, so switch statement. So I will be first introducing you selection statement. I will be explaining basically. So in case of this if else statement, there is four subparts, that is simple if else, if ladder and nested if. I will be showing you each and every one example as well as with the syntax. This if statement, that means how many type of if statement can be there. Okay, so there are generally four types. Let me first show you the syntax for simple if. So for simple if, we have a condition. We are checking if condition we are providing, then we have the statement. So if the statement, what is the purpose of this? That's very important. Why we are using this? The statement is evaluated if the value of the condition is true. Very important point. Very important. If the condition is true, then only this part is going to execute it. If this fails, nothing is going to be executed which is available in this part. So this is single if. Then comes if else. Before that, let me show you the flowchart of simple if. Flowchart is very important in order to know the algorithm as well as the programming. So flowchart, let me show you the flowchart. So here is the start, that is execute start, and then we are checking the conditions. The conditions which we are providing over here, if gets true, then it is going to execute the statement 1, as already I have shown over there in the syntax, that it is executing the statement. If gets fail, that means the program is going to be terminated, so it is going to the end part. So this is the flowchart of simple if. Before doing any program, make sure that you are well known about the flowchart. So this was the video on single if. In my upcoming video, I will be showing you else if syntax as well as the flowchart of it. So thank you for watching my video, and please do subscribe my channel so that you will get more updates on technology and this type of concept. Thank you.